Hi, I'm Dr. Jojo of Vancouver. In this video, I'm adding the innovative facial sauna heat to enhance my zhuāng practice. The reason is that, according to Master Nam, a fluid qi flow into the head is very important, and qi is carried by the blood. When you look at the 3 yin meridian of the hand and the 3 yin meridian of the leg, you can see that they are running against the gravitational pull of the earth, going upward from the extremity into the head above them, making blood flow into the head more difficult. Master Nam also said that there are 2 signs that you can tell that the meditation posture of the head is correct. The 2 major arteries, the vertebral and the carotid artery, are full. By full, Master Nam probably meant unobstructed. There's one simple test that we can do it ourselves. If we are in doubt, we can use advanced medical technique to make sure these arteries are not obstructed and blood flow freely into the brain. Blood flow freely into the brain is very important because qi is carried by blood. Master Nam also told us that when qi is accumulating and then it's going up into the head, there's one external observable sign that you do not have a sagging chin like the picture shown on the extreme left lower corner, and then the chin should be round and nicely tucked in like Master Nam's. He did not explain why this happened, and I supplemented with my explanation. It is because of the suction of the zhuāng Zhàn, and it is because that you do not accumulate fat in your body. The current requirement of social distancing and the fear of getting COVID-19 infection in a crowded room gave me the inspiration of inventing this innovative way to promote blood flow into the brain. For more information, please read my book, The Path to Enlightenment from the Practice of Tai Chi Zhuāng. Shen Ming is the enlightenment stage of Tai Chi. Hi, I'm Dr. George Ho. This concludes the movie, and if you like this movie, please click like and please share it with your friend in other media like the Facebook, and it would really motivate me to make more movies like this if you would subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Dr. George Ho. Subscription is totally free.